Hello all, welcome to the deck again. Today's project will be sweating copper pipe again. So if you didn't see the other video, here's a refresher course. Sorry, it's a little bright out here, but it's the first sunny day we've had in a while and I'm taking advantage of it. So yeah, that's the project. And thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. I'm gonna spin here. So we just got to take each piece and clean them up a little bit with some sandpaper. I got most of them done already. We're going to go elbow, or I'm sorry, I'm going to cut my main pipe. Put this in, put the T in, put a little piece, male, then a shut off, then another piece of pipe, and then a 90, and then a barb fitting. I'm sorry. Then a male. Oy. Then a female. Then a barb fitting. So it's going to all look like that. Something when it's done. The other male goes here. So yeah, that's the fun for today. Stay tuned and thanks for watching, guys. Okay, so this is sweating pipes pretty easy. Basically, we got our clean pieces. We got a flux, generous giant chunk of flux. Slide it all the way in. Alright, I gotta tip you up here so we can do some torching. This is map gas, which I don't even know what's in map gas. I think it's butane and propane. So all I know is it gets real hot. Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna heat this up good and hot, and then I'm gonna try and swing it over and show you guys how it sucks it in, but we'll see if it translates. This torch is really loud, so you're not gonna be able to hear me, but you'll be able to watch me. See it. Just melt and roll in. And if you do it right, it's nice and smooth. Sorry. So you can kind of see it roll in. I'm gonna try and shoot in there. I don't know if you guys can see in there, but if you look, you can see the bead inside. So that is sucked that solder all the way through that fitting. So that should be good. That's exactly what that's exactly what the paste is for. Now we're going to do the same exact thing Get a male on here because we got to go to our valve. So, same exact thing. See how it just melts? And you can probably get a much better view here. Let's see here. You can see how it pulled it all the way in there. I don't know if the sun's going to catch it right, but... So, there's my first one. So I'm going to cut my pipe, put this in line, valve, then another short piece with another male on it, and then a 90. So we're going to let this cool down a little. Alright, I'm going to cut a couple more pieces of pipe here because I want to change my lengths a little. Alright guys, well thanks for watching. I'm going to let this stuff cool down, and we got to reset up in there because, well, time to go into the crawl space, my least favorite spot. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. I learned all this stuff from my dad, and without him I'd be a different person. So thanks, Dad, and make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Stay tuned for crawl space and a bunch of other stuff. We got a bunch of stuff coming up. So have a good day, everyone. Thank you very much again.